We have pocket option trading strategy here, utilizing Ichimoku Kinko Hyo and the Demarker indicator. Thanks for Mr. Freaks for sharing this trading method. We will be trading for 6 seconds on an OTC market. We set our Ichimoku for only 2 lines, where we will spot their crossing point. Whenever our Demarker line reaches below its bottom line, it creates a strong confirmation for the trend to go reverse. We use only the line as our chart type. This will benefit us to get updated market price action from time to time. When our line touches the yellow line, a high tendency for the trend to go up. Let's trade for it for 6 seconds. Good result. Let's wait for a good momentum to trade for it. We traded with OTC market. Best to trade it on sideway markets. Take a look at this. The Demarker line reached the green resistance line, aiming to move on a downward trend. Our chart line already touches the yellow line. Let's go trade going lower. Good result. Another instance here. Let's trade higher. We will trade for another one going up. This method have a high chance of success. Practice first on a demo account before trading on live account. A good momentum here. Wait for confirmation. Our Demarker already at its resistance level. Wait for the chart line to cross the yellow line. Let's trade for it going lower. Good and amazing trading method. Support us and like this video to get latest strategies trading with pocket option and other trading brokers. You can also use this method on other trading platforms.